Flashforge Creator 5 Pro Review, a powerful next-generation multi-material CoreXY 3D printer. The Flashforge Creator 5 Pro is an advanced desktop CoreXY FDM 3D printer designed for creators, engineers, businesses, and professional makers who need high-speed printing, multi-material flexibility, and reliable performance. Combining a modern motion system with an innovative 4-toolhead design, the Creator 5 Pro aims to solve some of the biggest challenges in traditional 3D printing, including slow color changes, filament waste, and complex material switching. As 3D printing continues to move from hobby use into professional production, printers are becoming faster, smarter, and more automated. The Flashforge Creator 5 Pro represents this evolution by offering a workflow that focuses on efficiency, creativity, and precision. With its creator-focused design, enclosed structure, advanced calibration features, and support for multiple filament types, it is positioned as a powerful solution for both personal and professional applications. Innovative 4-toolhead switching system. One of the most impressive features of the Flashforge Creator 5 Pro is its 4-toolhead switching system. Unlike traditional multicolor FDM printers that use a single nozzle and require extensive filament purging during color changes, this printer uses multiple independent toolheads. Each toolhead can be prepared with a different filament, allowing users to switch between materials and colors more efficiently. This design provides several advantages: faster color changes, less filament waste, easier multi-material printing, improved production efficiency for designers creating colorful models, product prototypes, architectural designs, or detailed mechanical parts. The 4-toolhead setup can significantly simplify the printing process. Instead of waiting for a single nozzle to unload, clean, and reload different materials, creators can move between prepared toolheads with less interruption. This makes the Creator 5 Pro especially useful for projects where multiple materials are required. High-speed CoreXY printing performance. The Creator 5 Pro uses a CoreXY motion system, which has become one of the most popular designs among high-performance 3D printers. CoreXY technology separates motor movement from the printhead, allowing faster movement while maintaining stability. This structure helps achieve higher printing speeds, better vibration control, more accurate positioning, improved surface quality. The printer is designed for fast production while maintaining professional-level detail. With modern acceleration technology, it can handle larger projects and reduce the time required to complete complex prints. For businesses and creators, speed is a major advantage. Faster printing allows more prototypes to be created in less time, helping users test ideas, improve designs, and move products from concept to reality faster. Advanced multi-material printing. The Flashforge Creator 5 Pro is not limited to basic POA printing. It is designed to support a wide range of materials, giving users more freedom when selecting the right filament for each project. Supported materials can include PLA for easy everyday printing, PETE for durable parts, TPU for flexible designs, ABS and ASA for stronger applications, nylon-based materials for engineering projects, carbon fiber reinforced filaments for enhanced strength. This flexibility makes the Creator 5 Pro suitable for many industries, including product design, education, engineering, manufacturing, and creative modeling. Users can create parts that require different properties, such as combining strong structural materials with support materials or using different colors for visual prototypes. Reduced filament waste and better efficiency. One of the biggest weaknesses of traditional multicolor 3D printing is material waste. Single nozzle systems often need to flush out old filament before changing colors. During large projects, this can waste a significant amount of material. The Creator 5 Pro's multi-toolhead approach helps reduce this issue by avoiding repeated filament purging. This provides several benefits: lower filament costs, cleaner workflow, more environmentally friendly printing, faster project completion. For professional users who print regularly, reducing waste can make a noticeable difference over time. Enclosed printing chamber for reliable results. The Flashforge Creator 5 Pro features an enclosed printing environment designed to improve print consistency. Enclosures help maintain a stable temperature around the model, which is especially important when using advanced materials. A controlled chamber can help reduce common printing problems such as warping, layer separation, uneven cooling, poor surface quality. This allows users to work with materials that require more controlled printing conditions. The enclosed structure also makes the printer more suitable for offices, classrooms, studios, and professional environments. Smart calibration and automation features. Modern 3D printers are moving toward easier operation, and the Creator 5 Pro includes several smart features designed to simplify the printing experience. Key automation features include automatic bed leveling, toolhead calibration, filament detection, print monitoring camera, touchscreen controls, network connectivity. Automatic calibration reduces setup time and helps maintain consistent print quality. Users can spend less time adjusting the machine and more time designing and creating. The integrated monitoring features also allow users to check print progress remotely, making it easier to manage longer print jobs. Creator-focused design philosophy. The Creator 5 Pro is built for people who want more creative freedom from their 3D printer. Instead of focusing only on basic printing, Flashforge has designed this machine around flexibility and productivity. It can be used for product prototypes, custom designs, educational projects, functional components, engineering models, artistic creations. The ability to quickly switch materials and colors gives creators more options when developing new ideas. Professional-level printing at desktop size. While industrial 3D printers can provide advanced capabilities, they are often expensive and require specialized environments. The Flashforge Creator 5 Pro brings many professional features into a desktop-friendly format. It offers a balance between performance, automation, material compatibility, ease of use, creative flexibility. This makes it appealing for small businesses, designers, and serious hobbyists who want a printer that can grow with their skills. Final verdict: is the Flashforge Creator 5 Pro worth it? The Flashforge Creator 5 Pro is an impressive next-generation FDM printer that focuses on solving real-world printing challenges. Its 4-toolhead switching system, CoreXY speed, reduced filament waste, enclosed design, and smart automation make it a strong choice for advanced creators. For users who only need simple single-color prints, a basic 3D printer may be enough. However, for anyone interested in multicolor models, engineering prototypes, professional projects, or efficient production workflows, the Creator 5 Pro offers a much more advanced experience. With its combination of speed, flexibility, and intelligent design, the Flashforge Creator 5 Pro shows how desktop 3D printing is becoming faster, smarter, and more capable than ever before.